My Bitcoin price prediction. For the first time since July, Bitcoin's price fell below $34,000 in January. That's a significant reduction from the most recent all-time high, which was nearly $68,000 in November. Bitcoin is still more than twice as valuable as it was only a few years ago, despite the current price drop. These kind of ups and downs are nothing new for Bitcoin. Despite the volatility and recent price drop, many analysts believe Bitcoin will eventually cross the $100,000 milestone. However, there are differing viewpoints on when that will happen. The volatility is nothing new, and it's one of the reasons why experts advise novice crypto investors to be careful when committing a portion of their portfolio to cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has risen in value as steadily as any other cryptocurrency on the market over the years. It's only natural for Bitcoin investors to wonder how far the currency may rise. Unfortunately, the price of Bitcoin is exceedingly difficult to forecast, and it is much more vulnerable to market forces than other asset classes. Nonetheless, we decided to poll several experts for their best ideas. Here's what they had to say. Bitcoin price forecasts. Coming off its all-time high in November, a $100,000 Bitcoin price seemed simple to forecast late last year. With Bitcoin's steep decline since then, the prediction game has become much more difficult. The most ardent crypto doubters anticipate that Bitcoin will crash to $10,000 by 2022, but a middle ground might be that Bitcoin can still reach $100,000, as many experts projected late last year, although on a longer schedule. The most qualified professors in the area forecast $100,000 Bitcoin in Q1 2022 or sooner, according to the report. Back in November 2021, Kate Waltman, a crypto-focused certified public accountant in New York, informed us. But, as huge organizations like Nike and other big brands explore for methods to monetize their goods in the digital metaverse, bullish analysts are re-evaluating the crypto sector as a whole. The popularity of altcoins is growing as a result of the emergence of metaverse games, worlds, goods, and experiences, which has shifted investor perceptions of Bitcoin, known as the original crypto. Many experts are cautious to estimate a specific amount or a certain date, instead pointing to the pattern of Bitcoin's value growing over time. Last October, Jurian Timmer, director of global macro at Fidelity Investments, forecasted a very sustainable growth in Bitcoin's long-term value, driven by organic market activity, with the $100,000 milestone in sight. Kiana Daniel, founder of InvestDiva and author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, says, "What I foresee from Bitcoin is volatility in the short term and growth in the long term." Here are some additional forecasts for the next year, sorted from low to high. Paulina, Ian. Expert opinion. Bitcoin investor and founder of a crypto research and media firm. Token metrics are a kind of metric that is used to represent why Bitcoin is in a negative mood cycle, while the whole crypto market and other crypto asset classes are not. Prediction: Bitcoin can go to $100,000, $150,000, although the timetable is unknown. Although Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, others have since overtaken it in terms of innovation in what experts refer to as Web3, the new internet based on blockchain. The emergence of new cryptocurrencies and the buzz around the metaverse will continue to boost crypto demand, and Bitcoin will finally recover. What factors affect Bitcoin's price? Supply and demand, public mood, the news cycle, market events, scarcity, and other economic variables all impact the price of cryptocurrencies, just as they do any other currency or investment. Bitcoin's value is influenced by more variables than the ordinary currency or securities since it is a new and developing asset. Here are a few examples. Scarcity: there are only 18 to 19 million Bitcoins in circulation right now, and production will cease at 21 million. This inherent scarcity, according to industry insiders, is a key element of cryptocurrency's attraction. When it comes to Bitcoin's beginnings, Merchant argues, it almost seems like a swindle. Since starting to invest in crypto in 2017, he claims to have seen his crypto holdings reach millions of dollars at times, but he's also seen them vanish in an instant. If it's not in cash, you don't truly have that money, Merchant argues, because with crypto, anything can plummet substantially overnight. To safeguard your money from the volatility, experienced financial advisors recommend dedicating just 1% to 5% of your portfolio to cryptocurrency. Adoption in the mainstream. According to Waltman, one of the key causes fueling Bitcoin's price surge is the pace at which new users are purchasing and investigating cryptocurrencies. She claims that crypto technology is being accepted at a higher pace than humanity originally adopted internet technology. The compounding acceleration of new adoption might continue to drive Bitcoin's value higher and higher if it continues. According to statistics from the digital asset management business CoinShares, Bitcoin use has been expanding at a pace of 113% each year. People, on the other hand, are adopting the internet at a slower pace of 63%. The analysis claims that if people warm up to Bitcoin at the same pace as they did to the internet in its early days, or quicker, there would be 1 billion users by 2024 and 4 billion users by 2030. According to CoinDesk, the number of new wallets globally climbed 45% from January 2020 to January 2021, reaching an estimated 66 million. Coinbase, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, claims to have over 73 million members globally, while Gemini just issued its State of U.S. Crypto report, which claimed that 21.2 million Americans possess Bitcoin of some type. Regulation in recent months, federal authorities have made it obvious that they are paying attention to cryptocurrency. One important factor for Bitcoin's trailing price, according to industry insiders, is what crypto insiders regard as hawkish government regulation. Seth Gins, a managing partner at CoinFund, said in a recent CoinDesk First Mover interview that the Fed moved to a hawkish position on crypto regulation just as Omicron started to tick up in the US, which could have raised doubt in crypto as a viable asset, leading to January's bearish sentiments. Regulation of cryptocurrency raises a slew of unsolved problems. President Joe Biden recently signed an infrastructure law mandating all cryptocurrency exchanges to report their transactions to the Internal Revenue Service. Similarly, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen recently stated that stablecoins, a type of cryptocurrency tied to the value of the dollar, should be regulated by the government. According to a white paper published by Flourish, a fintech platform for investment advisors, the conversation on regulatory policies is patchy. Any new regulation can have an impact on the value of a relatively new asset class like cryptocurrency. When China banned cryptocurrency in September 2021, for example, investors saw Bitcoin's price plummet, though it has since rebounded and resumed its usual volatility. Despite the fact that Bitcoin has been around for over a decade, the Securities and Exchange Commission is taking a case-by-case approach to mainstream crypto adoption, which experts refer to as its crawl, walk, run strategy. Over the last 5 years, regulation has kind of evolved, says Ben Cruikshank, CEO of Flourish. Regulators can always change their minds. Cycles of mining finally, a cycle known as halving has a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.